What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Cred.AI. Cred.AI is a fintech company pioneering innovative banking solutions to improve consumer financial well-being and security. Their flagship products include the Unicorn Credit Card and Siren Card, designed to optimize everyday spending and credit management. With a focus on user experience and cutting-edge technology, Cred.AI offers a unique approach to personal finance, empowering individuals to make informed decisions and achieve their financial goals. By partnering with large brands and organizations, Cred.AI is transforming the banking landscape and setting new standards for the future of financial services. Now, let's talk about some of its key features. Cred.AI offers a range of innovative features designed to enhance financial well-being and security for its users. One of the standout benefits is the absence of fees or interest, allowing users to manage their spending without the burden of hidden costs or accumulating debt. This is complemented by automatic credit building, which helps users improve their credit scores effortlessly by managing credit utilization. The platform also provides early access to paychecks, giving users greater financial flexibility and better cash flow management. Security is a top priority, with advanced features like High Security Mode (TM), Friend and Foe List (TM), and Stealth Cards (TM), ensuring that users can protect their financial information during transactions. Additionally, real-time control and support empower users to monitor their spending and manage their accounts 24/7. Exclusive technologies like Check Please, TM, and Flux Capacitor further enhance the user experience by providing proactive financial management tools, making Cred.AI a comprehensive solution for modern banking needs. Siren Card. The Siren Card is designed to provide a premium banking experience, combining high-quality materials with innovative features. One of its key benefits is the Premium Metal Card, which not only offers durability but also a sense of prestige for users when making transactions. Like Cred.AI, the Siren Card guarantees no fees or interest, simplifying budgeting and allowing users to focus on their financial goals without the stress of additional costs. Automatic credit optimization ensures that users maintain healthy credit utilization rates, which is essential for improving credit scores. Additionally, the card provides early access to direct deposit funds, enhancing cash flow management for users who need immediate access to their money. Security is paramount, with exclusive guard features that protect against fraud and unauthorized transactions. Overall, the Siren Card is committed to supporting users on their financial journey, offering tools and resources that empower them to achieve their financial aspirations. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of the Cred credit card is the absence of rewards or cash back on purchases. While the card offers valuable features like no fees or interest and automatic credit building, users will not earn any additional benefits or incentives for using the card. This may be a deterrent for individuals who prioritize rewards programs and the potential to earn points, miles, or cash back on their spending. The lack of rewards could be a significant drawback for users who are accustomed to the added value that many traditional credit cards provide through their loyalty programs. Another potential drawback of the Cred credit card is the limited options available once users establish credit. Unlike some traditional credit card issuers that offer a range of cards with varying features and benefits, Cred.AI does not provide a clear path for users to upgrade or access different card options within their ecosystem. This lack of progression may be a drawback for users who want to continue their credit building journey with Cred while potentially earning rewards or accessing additional features that may become available with a different card. While the Cred credit card can technically be obtained without a linked deposit account, the full functionality of the card is only available when both the credit card and deposit account are used together. This reliance on the deposit account may be a drawback for users who prefer to keep their credit card separate from their primary checking or savings account. Additionally, users may need to maintain a certain balance in their deposit account to avoid potential fees or limitations on their credit card usage. In conclusion, while the Cred credit card offers several appealing features such as no fees, automatic credit building, and enhanced security, potential drawbacks exist. The lack of rewards or cashback, limited card options for progression, and reliance on a linked deposit account may not align with every user's preferences. Ultimately, individuals should weigh these factors against the benefits to determine if the Cred.AI credit card suits their financial needs and goals. For those prioritizing simplicity and security, it can still be a valuable option in the fintech landscape. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.